How to create an $8,000 a month cake business from home. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, and I'm going to break down exactly how you can do this. There are people who are actually making way more than this every single month, and they are creating custom cakes from their home kitchens. Under Cottage Food Laws in every single state, cakes are actually the number one thing that you can definitely make for sure. Now, there's some toppings and some frostings and some fillings that you cannot make, of course, and those are going to be items that have refrigeration or time sensitive. But I'm going to dive in to give you the step by step. Starting a cake business from home can be a hugely rewarding and profitable venture. Imagine turning your passion for baking into a thriving business that brings in $8,000 a month. Now, it might seem a little bit of a lofty goal, but with the right plan and dedication and a bit of strategic thinking, it's entirely achievable. Let's dive into how you can actually make this happen. No silly numbers, no made up fantasy ideas about how this will work. Concrete, solid step by step. Now, with a breakdown of the numbers to guide you along the way, stick with me till the end. I'm going to break down the numbers and show you how this works. But step one, find your niche and a perfect recipe. First things first, you need to kind of identify your niche. What type of cakes are you passionate about and about making? Are they wedding cakes? Are they birthday cakes? Specialty cupcakes, perhaps? Even themed cakes for different events? Your niche will actually help you stand out in a crowded marketplace of people who make cakes just like you. Now, once you've nailed down your specialty, spend some time actually perfecting your recipes. That's right, I said recipes, more than one. So variations, you definitely want to do that. Your cakes should not only look amazing, but should also taste incredibly good, leaving your customers craving more. Now, step two, set your pricing strategically. Now, this is where it gets specifics about the dollar amounts. Pricing is key to reaching your $8,000 a month goal. Now, let's break down the numbers. And suppose you decide to focus on, let's say, custom birthday cakes, okay? Now, you could actually price these cakes out an average of about $100 a cake. Now, this means you will need to make 80 cakes in a month to reach $8,000 in revenue. Now, if 80 cakes seems like a lot, consider offering additional products, such as even cupcakes, cake pops, which can complement the main cake business. Or in some cases, some people actually buy these in addition to the cakes for their events. For example, you could sell 60 custom cakes at $100 each and 200 cupcakes at $3 each. 60 cupcakes times 100 obviously gives you $6,000. 200 cupcakes times $3 each gives you $6,000. 50 cake pops times 250 gives you $1,250. This gives you a total of around $8,000 a month. Step three, optimizing your production schedule. To consistently produce the volume of cakes needed, you'll need a well-organized production schedule. Now, let's say you dedicate Mondays to baking, Tuesdays to your decorating part, and Wednesdays for the delivery or pickups. This allows you the maximum efficiency. Batch production is your friend here, okay? For example, bake all of your cake layers in one go and then decorate them as needed throughout the week. Now, this method actually saves time and ensures you're always ready for the next order. Step four is streamlining your costs. Managing your costs will be crucial to ensuring your business profitability. Here's an estimated breakdown of the cost to produce one $100 cake. Ingredients between the butter, sugar, eggs, flour, and everything else that goes in between, it's around $15. Packaging should be around $3 or $5. Utilities, let's factor in around $2, okay, for electricity and gas and water, etc. Miscellaneous of about $5, maybe for transportation or advertising, maybe on your Facebook page or your local Facebook group. Your total cost per cake is around $25. Profit for a cake of $100 sale, $25 cost gives you $75. That profit margin, by the way, is 75%. Now, if you sell 80 of these cakes a month, your cost would be around $2,000, leaving you with around $6,000 in profit. By streamlining your production process and purchasing ingredients in bulk, by the way, you can actually reduce your cost even further, increasing your profit margin. Step five, marketing your cake business. Now, to reach that $8,000 a month revenue, you need a steady flow of customers coming in. So you start by creating a strong online presence with a website and, more specifically, social media profiles. Post high-quality photos of your cakes, engage with customers or followers. If they start to ask questions, you want to engage with them. And encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews or even feedback or information on your pages. Word of mouth is a very powerful thing in the baking world, so always aim to exceed expectations. Consider offering promotions or even discounts for repeat customers or special events. Collaborating with local businesses even, such as party planners or florists, can also expand your reach into their customer base. Step six, managing your time and orders. Now, to avoid burnout, it's essential to manage your time wisely. Using tools like maybe Google Calendar or dedicated order management apps to track your orders, deadlines, and customer preferences. Setting boundaries. Now, like specific days for pickups or even to help maintain a healthy work life balance. Consider hiring help as well if your business grows quickly. Even part time assistance with deliveries, even or administrative tasks, can free up your time to focus on what you do best, which is baking and decorating those stunning cakes. So, in conclusion, scaling up. Now, once you've established a steady $8,000 a month income, you can start thinking about scaling up from there. This might involve increasing prices, offering premium products, or even expanding your product lineup. The key is to keep refining your processes, improving marketing efforts, and delighting your customers always. Starting a successful home-based cake business does take time, effort, and of course, creativity. But with the right approach, you can actually turn your passion into a thriving, profitable venture. If this was helpful, do give us a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about launching your baking business from home, let us know here on Cottage Food Laws. We're all about home-based food entrepreneurship.